Hi guys, welcome to this full review about the CXK E12 wireless earbuds. So here we have the charging cradle. You can see what's very special. Of course we have the LED on one side, but on the other side we have a reset button that can be super helpful for first connection, or if you want to give it to friends or other family members or so. Then we have very long battery runtime, up to 8 hours with one charge only, and you can charge them more than 4 times here in the cradle. They have an awesome fit. You can see them here. I can shake my head. There's absolutely nothing going to happen unless I do some crazy sweating or so. They have large 13mm drivers for good audio quality. They have even 4 microphones for absolutely awesome noise cancellation, for example for voice calls. They are also waterproof, so could be an awesome thing for outside sports. So I'm going to show you what's in the box, how to connect, and then how we can use them. Okay, so here's the packaging with some description in the front and the specs in the back. So let's open it. Comes with some nice protection on the top. Get also an instruction manual for the E12. I'm going to show you that pretty quickly because it could be very helpful regarding functions, and especially also regarding the reset. And so that's it already. And also here you can see really awesome protection. And so here we have the charging cradle, USB-C, exactly what we want to see. The earbuds are not in the cradle. That has the advantage that they do not have to apply some protection here for the charging pins, and the charging pins are rather large, so that makes sure that it gets less problems regarding charging. And underneath we get also the USB-A to USB-C charging cable. But the good thing, I've just tested it, and you could also use any USB-C to USB-C charging cable. That's pretty rare. Some of the earbuds reject to charge from USB-C to USB-C, so that's a really good thing here. And so let's charge them here for a little bit. I put this one here and this one here. What's really good and important is that we have the one for the right side also on the right side in the charging cradle, and the left one on the left side. With some of the charging cradles it's mixed and then it's difficult, so also a really good thing here, when you have the LED in the front, you have the left on the left side, the right on the right side. That's also important because there is no indication here on the earbud itself. Then one of the most important thing is the reset. That could be helpful if you have some problems connecting at the beginning, or you want to share this with somebody. Maybe you want to give this to a friend for a couple of days or so, or even sell it or whatsoever, or you have bought it used. So what you can do is to open the charging cradle when the earbuds are inside, and then you can long press here in the back. So we are doing that now. So I'm long pressing here in the back. Let's see what's happening. You can see there was this white light, and when we have the white light, that means that the earbuds have been reset. So we can take them out here and go to the Bluetooth settings of the phone and try to connect. Let's see if there are some available devices. If they are still not available here, then this means probably that they don't have any charge. So make sure that the charging cradle is fully charged and leave them inside for a couple of hours so that the earbuds are also fully charged. So we are connecting, click on pair, and so we have them now here, and so we can also see the battery level. That's the only way we can check on the battery level of the earbuds. When we click on it, there are also a couple of options. So we can see we are using them for media audio, phone calls, or we could also give the authorization for contact sharing. And so I've tested them now for a while, and this is what I have found. They are really beautiful, and they have a really good fit. At least in my ears, they had a really awesome fit. I've been jumping up and down, shaking my head, and they didn't fall out. So I think unless I would be sweating very hard, they do not fall out, even though they do not have like this soft rubber ear tip. And I mean, they are not sports earbuds, of course. They don't have like an extra hook, and they were super easy to control. You can see that here also on my phone. When I tap here just a little bit, we can change the audio volume on the right side up, on the left side down. We can control music, go back to previous song, next song, start playing, put it on pause, take a call, reject the call, do everything. And the touch button has been very reliable. I would say one of the most reliable touch buttons I've ever seen. And there is not even an area to see. You just hold them like that and you touch them somewhere. Here you can see it's always responding. I never had a miss. That's absolutely awesome for such a device. And I never had like some mismanipulation or so, because you can really nicely hold it like that and you don't have to touch the sensor button. Or when you put them into your ears, you can see that here, watch here, I hold them and I even hold here on top and nothing is going to happen. That's absolutely awesome. And so, of course, I've also tested them for music, how the listening quality is. I've tested them with deep bass sound. I mean, we have pretty large 13mm speakers, and so they can provide a decent audio quality, but they do not have like this ultra deep bass sound. That's not here. I mean, you can hear some bass sound, but it's not like an ultra deep bass sound. Of course, these are not 15mm drivers, and we do not have these soft rubber ear tips. And so that's some kind of a trade-off. But on the other hand, you are not totally insulated from the environment. It's much safer to use them outside, maybe for sports or so, and you can still talk to other people. You are not totally cut off. That's the huge advantage here. And then regarding the microphone quality, the microphone is something really special regarding the noise cancellation. Of course, the noise cancellation is also limiting a little bit the bandwidth of the frequency. It's not transmitting a very deep voice, but on the other hand, they have some absolutely crazy noise cancellation. I've tried them in my backyard where I have this very loud AC outside unit where it would be usually almost impossible to make a phone call or so and record anything. And so I've recorded a microphone sample right next to this super loud AC outside unit, so you can listen to that now. CXK E12 earbuds microphone test, very close to the very loud AC outside unit. So that's really mind-blowing, I would say, one of the best noise cancellations I've ever seen. So if you are planning to use them in a very loud environment, that would be absolutely perfect. But also for wearing comfort and still having decent audio. So I would say we definitely cannot complain, especially for the low price. They have a decent audio and a really awesome noise cancellation. They look pretty stylish. They have a good, super comfortable, at least for me. So if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.